Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be showing you this blue smoky eye glam makeup look. If you want to know how I have created this look, do watch my video till end. So let's start the tutorial. Moisturizer I am using here is Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. Then primer I am using here is O3 Plus Pro Artist Mattifying and Pore Minimizing Primer. Now I am correcting my under eye dark circles with an orange corrector from this Forever 52 Corrector palette. Applying and blending this orange corrector with a small concealer brush on my dark circle area. Now I am concealing my blemishes and pigmentation with a Maybelline Fit Me concealer shade Honey, which is one shade lighter than my skin tone, and I am blending it with a small concealer brush from Real Technique. For foundation, I am using here MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation shade number NC37, which is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. But this foundation does oxidize, so I chose lighter shade. It will settle down slowly, trust me guys. Then I am applying Makeup Revolution Concealer shade number C10 on my eyelid as eyeshadow base and blending it with a sponge. Now applying Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder shade Natural Buff to set my foundation. For eye makeup, I'll start with filling my eyebrows. For eyebrows, I am using here PAC Eyebrow Definer, which is a powder formula and it is very easy to apply and blend. For smoky eyeshadow base, I am applying black gel eyeliner from Coloressence all over my eyelid except inner corner of my eyelid, applying it with a small flat eyeshadow brush. Now I am blending this gel eyeliner with a small fluffy brush like so. All the product and brushes detail I'll be giving in description box, so do check it. For eyeshadow, I am using here Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright Eyeshadow Palette. From this eyeshadow palette, I am using here blue shimmery eyeshadow called Ocean Deep. I am applying this blue eyeshadow on 3/4 of my eyelid, leaving the outer corner of my eyelid. Now I am packing black eyeshadow on outer corner of my eyelid, creating a V shape, then blending this black shadow with a fluffy brush. Then again blending blue with black eyeshadow. Now to soften the edges, I am applying light brown shade on and above crease area. And the same brown shadow I am applying on my lower lash line to define it. Now applying eyeliner close to my upper lash line and creating a soft wing. This liner is from Maybelline New York, the Colossal Liner. This liner is very easy to apply because of its pen-like applicator. Now to give eyeliner smoky effect, I am applying black eyeshadow over it and smudging it with a small pencil brush. As a kajal in my lower waterline, I am using K Beauty Blue Crayon Pencil and smudging it with a black eyeshadow. And again softening the edges with a brown eyeshadow. Now highlighting inner corner of my eyes and brow bone with a elegant highlighter. Now applying kajal on my upper lash line. After completing my other eye makeup and lash application off camera, it's time to curl my lashes. Mascara I am using here is Maybelline Colossal Mascara, which is a washable mascara and it gives beautiful volume to my lashes, as you can see. And here is my eye makeup complete. Now to contour my facial features, I am using this NYX contour palette, applying this contour shade below cheekbone, side of nose, hairline area and jawline area. To highlight highest point of my face, I am using Wet n Wild highlighter, applying it with a fluffy brush on highest point of my cheekbone, forehead and bridge of nose and on chin. Now to add more healthy glow and color to my skin, I am applying here blush from NELF. Applying blush on apple of cheek till hairline and on and around nose to give skin sun-kissed glow. I always prefer lip liner before applying lipstick. So lip liner I am using here is from Sephora, shade 03 Rose Wine. And the lipstick is from MAC. It is a mini lipstick and the shade is Mare. It is such a beautiful shade and looks beautiful on all Indian skin tone. To fix my makeup, I am using Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer. It is a budget friendly good makeup fixer. So that's it my beauties for today's video. I hope you like my today's video and find this video informative. If you like it, you hit the like button, share with your friends and family, write in comment box how you find this video, and most important, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you get notification from my upcoming videos. So thank you for watching my today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, be safe, be happy, love you all.